So you're a fitness professional or a yoga instructor and you're looking to film some videos from home. Well, I've got some tips for you in this upcoming video. As you know, I've got over 200 videos in fitness and yoga on this channel. So here are my top 7 pro tips to film online videos from home. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior, your host of Live Free TV. In this video, I'm going to share with you the tips and tools that I've learned over the course of 5 years for filming at home for fitness and yoga. This is for planning your videos, and I promise you, when you plan better, the actual implementation is a lot more successful. You'll have better videos, it'll come across with more professionalism, and you'll get more views, and you'll connect with your students better as well. So again, these are pro tips to plan for filming online fitness videos at home. Tip number 1, it's all about planning. So you're gonna wanna plan your sequence in advance. It's a little bit different than a classroom. You're gonna wanna plan ahead what your theme is, so you have that ready to go and you say it in the beginning of your video. You're also gonna wanna know a little bit of the sequencing. Even if you don't memorize it, that's okay, but have an idea of what you're structuring and where to go within the set that you're doing. So you don't just throw it all together and it comes across as disorganized. Tip number 2, get good lighting. And if you can, try and get some natural lighting. If possible, you're opening up your windows, your shades, and you're getting the best natural light source possible without too many bright sun rays coming in and some harsh shadows. Something to note if you're filming in the afternoon, the lighting is going to change, and same for early morning. So you're gonna wanna pick a time that the lighting doesn't change too much, or give yourself a dark room and then use lighting as well. I use a couple soft boxes, sometimes an overhead mount lighting on top of the camera. I'm gonna link above a video that I use for all of my gear that might be of some help to you as well. Now you can hear me very well. That's a good thing. Tip number 3, get your audio in order. You're gonna wanna have some mic of some sort, because screaming across the room for your audio, it's not gonna work. As an instructor, if somebody's watching your video, if they can't hear you, they're not practicing with you. So you wanna make sure that you have good audio. Again, you're gonna see the link up here that'll give you a better idea of the gear that I use, and there's also a masterclass on this exact topic coming soon. The 4th tip, block off a time in your day that you know is gonna be ideal for filming. Now I say this because I live in an apartment space. I have a woman upstairs who has very heavy feet. We have trash that comes outside. There's delivery trucks. They vacuum the hallways. We need to make phone calls. You want to pick a time that there's not going to be a lot of these external noises that you can plan on, because there's nothing worse if you're in the middle of a shavasana and you hear the beep, 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 beep of a trash bin or any of the other noises I mentioned. Plan accordingly. Tip number 5, pick your outfit wisely. It might be okay for your personal practice to wear teeny tiny little shorts, but that's not gonna always look so great when you're in a downward facing dog facing your camera. So think of your students, pick your outfits wisely. Fitted long pants and a top that is fitted, nothing spilling out. Be mindful, that's all. You're in all angles on the camera. You be the judge of that one. I'm not gonna go there into detail of too much. Tip number 6, clean up your space. I don't want to see all the junk that you have in the background, so take a little bit of time to clean up your space before filming. Yes, it's a little bit of an effort, but I promise you, having a cluttered space in the background is also going to clutter the minds of your students that you're trying to reach, so you want to keep it free, clean, clear, and open. And then final tip number 7, take a moment to prep yourself. You're about to lead a class for your students. You're gonna wanna give yourself a little bit of space too, to either work out or to ground or to meditate or to breathe, whatever it is that you need to center yourself before presenting that information to your students. So I hope that was helpful. There are my 7 pro tips to film online fitness videos from your home for your students. Again, subscribe to this channel, Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Follow me over on Instagram for more videos and updates that I'm sharing there on a daily basis to live your happiest, healthiest life, traveling, content creating, and all the fun stuff above. Bonus tip, have fun. If you're having fun, your students are gonna have fun too, even if you're leaving them there forever in a plank pose.